And now we continue our coverage of this blast of winter weather we're expecting this weekend. Scott has been giving us the first alert to a big drop in temperatures before all that snow arrives. This kind of cold can lead to hypothermia or frostbite if you're not careful. Here are some warning signs to look out for. Temperatures are expected to be in the single digits tomorrow, and health officials warn exposure to these conditions for too long can quickly turn life-threatening. Hypothermia can set in just 20 minutes, and you can get frostbite in about 30 minutes. Doctors say everyone, especially children, should dress in multiple layers. Jamie Clark, a physician assistant at Hartford Healthcare, says make sure that all of your skin is covered if you have to go outside tomorrow.
Scarf, gloves, exposing yourself to warm weather when you can. We are concerned about, those who work outside, our mailmen, our first responders. Those are just some examples, but, for them, frequently getting into a warming situation, kind of consuming warm fluids will help maintain the body temperature.
If you do have to be outside tomorrow, make sure you're taking breaks to get inside in the warmth and keep as much of your skin covered with gloves, hats, and scarves.
Good advice, Taylor.